Paramedics, firefighters, police officers, they're our lifelines in emergencies. But who do they call when it comes to protecting their future?
There's a program right here in town called Wills for Heroes. Its mission is to provide estate planning for first responders. And joining us to talk more about it is Natalia Holliday. Thank you so much for being here with us.
Thank you so much for having me.
I have to disclose, we actually were able to participate in this a number of years ago with the Pittsburgh firefighters, but tell people at home what this program is.
So thank you so much for highlighting the program because it's phenomenal. But Wills for Heroes, the Wills for Heroes Foundation is actually a national organization that works with state and county bar associations, so associations of lawyers, to administer the program, which, like you mentioned, is free, completely free estate planning for first responders, military veterans, and their spouses and domestic partners.
Wow.
Yeah.
And it's so important to think about this kind of stuff for everybody.
Exactly.
But what a great program. How did it start? Did it start after 9/11? Am I right?
Exactly. So there was an attorney in South Carolina who, like everybody in the nation after 9/11, watched what unfolded in absolute horror. He was stunned and scared, but he was also very inspired watching all of the first responders that dove into those scenes to help other people, to save lives. He looked at them and he thought, what can lawyers do to help those helpers? What can lawyers do for them that's as substantial as what they do for us? And Wills for Heroes was born.
And I think, the scary thing about this line of work is that you don't know what could happen.
Exactly.
I mean, it's a really scary thing to think about with any line of first responders. And that's why it's so important to have a will in place, unfortunately.
So it's fully, whenever I talk to clients about it, it's very scary to face, but I sort of frame it as you're doing your family such a huge favor, because in a moment where they really don't want to be dealing with legal and administrative hassles, you've taken that issue away by planning ahead. So you're doing a huge service to your family by taking care of these things. But of course, with first responders and, military personnel, it's so much more urgent. Anybody over the age of 18 should have a basic estate plan, but that group of people, they're placed in danger all the time. It's very regular for them.
So when someone comes in and they go to one of these sessions, what do they walk out with? They have a will, they can really spell out what's going to happen, right?
Yeah, so although the name Wills for Heroes would suggest that it's only wills, it's actually comprehensive estate planning. You get the will, of course, which is obviously the legacy document. Where do you want your things to go after you pass away? But you get these three extremely important lifetime documents, and those are the durable financial power of attorney. In that document, the client designates an agent to take care of financial matters on their behalf should they not be able to, or maybe not want to for some reason. You also get a healthcare power of attorney, where you designate an agent to make healthcare decisions for you if needed. And then the last document is the living will, which is sometimes called an advance directive. That's where the client is really spelling out, if I'm in an end-stage medical condition or a permanent state of unconsciousness and there's no realistic hope for recovery, what do I want to have happen, if we're in that situation?
It's really, it's nice to know that something like this exists because, especially if you're a younger man or woman, you don't think about something like this and putting this in place. You said there's an event coming up. It's by appointment only, we should mention, but tell us more about that.
So it's going to be at the Penn Hills number 7 volunteer fire department. Currently, I think there are only about 5 appointments left, but so it's it might fill up soon. But yeah, it's just this great program from the moment a client walks in to the moment they walk out. It's about an hour. So it's super efficient. They get everything done right then and there, fully executed, questions answered. Done. And then you go home with a ton of peace of mind.
Wow.
So,
Thank you so much for explaining it. And it's wonderful how they walk through for everybody. And you've walked us through how the whole thing works. So thank you.
Thanks so much.
And for more information on the Wills for Heroes program, you can go to our website, pittsburghtodaylive.com. We'll have a link for you there.